Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about the food you need to eat to grow your hair. Okay, so I'm going to be working with eggs, 3 eggs. I'm going to be working with cabbage. I've already sliced some, I'm still going to add more. Carrots, cucumber, green pepper, avocado, pepper, plantain, and salt to taste. Okay, so right away I want to slice these things, and I want you guys to see how I prefer doing it. Okay, so as I was doing, just slicing it like this. You can slice it anyhow you prefer, anyhow at all you want to do it. Okay guys, so let me slice this. You see the way I'm slicing it? So let me slice this off camera. I'm going to come back to show you how it is. Okay, I'm done slicing the cabbage. So this size is very okay for what I want to do. Okay, so now let me show you how I slice the plantain. The rest has already been sliced, so I just like this, you can see, like this, not to the down, just gently put your knife, like kind of slicing it this way. Don't slice everything down, just slice it to the point that it can be open, and just like this, slice. Okay, so you see it's open like this. Okay, like opening, slice it this way. You can slice it any other way, but this is the way I love to slice mine. Okay, slice it this way, you can see how it is. Okay, so the rest I've done the same thing to it. So you see, just the same way, you see. Okay, so now I'm going to be slicing my green pepper. Cut it into two like this, and then I will just pull this out. Try to bring out the seeds in it. Okay, just like this, pull everything out, pull out all the seeds. Okay, do the same to the second one that I have already divided into two, and then just take out the seed. So this is how it is looking like after I've taken out the seed. So I'll just slice it like this. So like this, like this. I don't know if you can see what I am doing. You can slice it whichever way you like. Okay, but this is just the way I like mine to be sliced. Let me do it with my hands. You can choose to slice it whichever form. Okay, whichever way you like to slice it. Okay, so I'm slicing mine like this. Also slice this one the same way. So now it's time to slice our cucumber. I'm just going to cut this into two so I'll be able to get quick access to it. Okay, just see, I divided it into 4 like this, and I'm going to just go ahead and slice it this way. Okay, just like this, not too small, not too big. See. Okay, so I'm going to slice my pepper. Just divide it like this. I'm going to slice it off camera and come back. Okay, so I'll just, this is my avocado, just going to open it into 2 like this. Okay, so this is what I have. See, I'm just going to pick out the seeds. So we'll set this aside. Okay, while I'll take my plantain. So I'm going to be frying my plantain. After frying the plantain, I'm going to add all this together with the pepper, with my seasoning cube and salt to taste, apart from the cucumber and the avocado for now. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to take into my stove now is ginger, garlic and onion. Okay, so I'll be back. I will add my cabbage and green pepper. So I've already opened my eggs. I will go ahead to add my pepper, my salt to taste, and then my seasoning cubes. So I'll be back. I'll also add in my carrot. Okay, so I'm just going to beat my eggs this way, and then I'll add it to my seasoning on the fire. I will be back. Okay, the food is ready, looking so delicious. See this? So this is the sauce. So the food is ready. This is the sauce, this is the avocado, this is the cucumber, and this is the sauce. Okay, this is the plantain. Okay, let's try this. Oh my god, this is so yummy. This is one of the ways you can get biotin. Okay, biotin into your hair. It's yummy. Okay, just snack in between. Okay, do it whichever way you like it. Okay, this is the way I love to prepare mine. So try this out and let me know how it came out for you in the comment section. Okay, thank you so very much. If this video was helpful, please turn on your bell notification, subscribe to this channel, like and share my videos. Thank you. Bye.